Great morning to you guys. Welcome. You already know Forex King coming back at you with another one. Getting right into it. 9:29 on June 9th, Monday morning. Y'all already know we are trading the US30. And real quickly, for those who aren't used to my videos just yet, recently I started this new concept that, man, no thumbnail, no clickbait, just straight content. So that's what I'm getting right into it right now. So if you didn't see my last video, from Friday morning, well, no, Saturday morning, Friday night, basically summarizing what happened here up until right now. Now, I think I've addressed this multiple times. You already know 9:30. This typically is when the volume and the big players come into the game right now with the US30. So we're just watching it. Honestly, I don't know what's going to happen right now. In my pre-analysis, I actually drew this trend line to kind of see what happens. So I actually drew this trend line last night, and up until right now, it literally didn't hit it. So based on what happens, I may adjust the trend line, or I might just use the trend line to continue to confirm my analysis or my bias. But let's see if we can zoom a little further. And also, yeah, I literally just drew these two white lines specifically because of this gap right here. So I want to see what happens with this gap. The US30, when it comes to gaps, they usually retest it or respect it. Um, this looks really good, but honestly, when it comes to like 9:30, I typically stay out. I really don't care. I don't want to be in a position where I allow FOMO, um, anxiety, or any of those emotions to impact me during like news and volume and high liquidity. Like, this is actually really good and looks great, but I don't want to lose track or lose sight of the bigger picture. Um, We'll see what happens. You know, at this level, this looks great. This is obviously a huge candle. Last time I got into a huge candle like this, I got stopped out. So because it's 9:30 morning, it's still really early. I'm not doing it. Not today. So let's see what happens with this type of volatility, with this type of move. You got the red line, you got the red level there. I want to see what happens. And then the daily, well, it was bullish. So I want to see what type of moves they make. All right. Mhm. Mhm. That looks great. Show me something. Oh, also with the yellow line, I think I mentioned it too. So the yellow line, this was last night around 2 no, it was more like around 1:30 last night. This is where the market was. So the market was here around 1:30 last night. This is where I drew the arrow. So now you have this moving average here. About to break through. Oh, this is a really good candle. Now let's see if it hits this level and what they're gonna do. Because at the end of the day, you still have looks like we have a break of trend. I'm laughing because look at what they're doing. Look at what they're doing. You send like this is what this is like you see enough of these, then it's just like I've seen this movie before. Look at this. Why would you send me this huge bearish candle and then immediately after there's no continuation? Why? Now, like why? Like that is they're so yo, these markets don't care. These markets do not care about us. So my initial bias, I was expecting the market to go up. Mm-hmm. And right now, I'm not quite ready to move this trend line just yet. But look at where I put the line. You see, I put the line just at these wicks. You see this wick here. And then, yeah, so it was that wick that I saw. Where's the other one? Oh, so it's two wicks. Oh yeah, there it is. So the two wicks. I know also two wicks. I know also two. So this wick right here. Here. So you had this wick. Came down. Boom. You see it? I mean, this is clearly right. I think we've been through this before. See this wick here. Hit it. Major pullback. And then here we are. Okay, look at this wick. This wick is this was Friday. This was Friday. I think. Remember, I missed this huge candle. This was Friday, somewhere around the 8 o'clock time frame. Wicked up pullback. This is where. Wow, this is so funny, bro. This is where I got into the candle. I made the money, and then it hit my level and pulled back to the line. And then it hit this later on after I closed my trade. Pulled up. If you don't know which trade I'm talking about, that's the trade I did for June 6th. You can check that video out. And then here we are today. So you just gotta laugh. Like, you gotta laugh. Like, so like, I'm glad I did this. Because sometimes when you have too much noise, yeah, this can make it crazy. Yeah, I know I marked my levels crazy, but clearly we are on to something. Plain, my bad. We are on to something. Yes, sir. All right, so that's the market analysis. We're gonna see what happens. I'm still looking for a buy, to be quite honest with you guys, and really, I need to see what type of pattern or structure is created. Now, we see the initial market structure of going up, but I'm not going into no buy unless we get past this, or I see a good setup that's going north. And because of right now, it looks like the bears have momentum for the day, so I might just stick with bear momentum. So it just depends on. I mean, I scalp, as you guys know, so I just got to see a good a good entry based on my strategy. Right now, I don't see nothing. So, hope this helps you guys. Um, Man, follow me on my journey. We'll see what happens. I mean, so again, it's 9:40, still pretty early. We don't know what type of day it's going to be, and I don't want this video to be too long because, I mean, if you guys are trading, I don't want you guys to be distracted. Um, Maybe you guys are analyzing the market like I am. Maybe there's something I missed that you can add to your analysis. Either way, man, let's go get the bag. If you don't know what I'm talking about, the first link in the description is the link for the Forex Trader Beginner podcast, Calvin. He made a post earlier in the year about just going after the markets and just getting the bag, man. There's so much money available, and we can all get it. We just got to stay disciplined. And this is going to be my disciplined, boring. This is going to be my boring month where I just stay disciplined and then don't waver from my plan. And I'm putting it public on my journey that like enough is enough. Discipline, check. FOMO, gone. Patience, check. I'm ready to dominate. So, appreciate you guys. Talk soon.